monster calves jump rope workout and calf raise exercises to target the calf muscles. This is a video I made by popular request. So this video has two components, a jump rope portion and calf raise exercise demonstration. So let's first discuss the jump rope moves that I'm using here to target the calves. It's very simple in the sense that I'm only using two exercises and they're basic jump rope moves. The side straddle, which involves jumping over the rope and moving your feet apart before moving them back together, and the regular 2-foot hop. So the idea here is to perform approximately 10 side straddles before going into 10 regular 2-foot hops. And you want to aim for approximately 90 seconds without stopping, or as I do here, just over 2 minutes. So perform those two moves in an alternate fashion for approximately 90 seconds or 2 minutes or even a little bit longer. The idea is to keep some time under tension on the calf muscles. So this is a very simple jump rope workout that can really target the calf muscles. So you could perform this sequence 3 to 4 times a week. You could also do this jump rope workout with the calf raise exercises, which you will see in approximately 40 seconds. So for the calf raise exercises, I'm going to use 2 external instruments. When I say instruments, I mean a broom and a weight. And I use the broom for balance, and I use the weight to perform standing elevated calf raises. So you'll see this in just about 10 seconds. So there we have a broom. You don't need it, but it can be helpful for balance. And the first exercise that I do is the basic standing calf raise. So using the toes and balls of my feet, I raise my body up off the ground. And at the top of the movement, I focus on squeezing my calves for 1 or 2 seconds. And when I lower my body, I try to do so slowly. I don't just let my body weight fall and hit the ground. So the standing calf raise, you want to aim for approximately 25 of these. Really focus on squeezing the calves at the top of the movement. So 25 repetitions. The next move is an isometric calf raise. So at the top of the calf raise, I simply squeeze my calf muscles for approximately 25 seconds. Here, I'm performing partial calf raises. So at the top of the movement, I lower my feet about 2 to 3 inches before squeezing the muscles at the top of the movement. And again, aim for approximately 25 of these partial calf raises. And now I'm bringing in a weight. If you don't have a weight like this, you could use something like a step. The key is to elevate your feet off the ground about 6 to 8 inches. Again, I'm using the broom for balance. So I stand on top of the weight, or you could be standing on top of a step. And with the step, what you're able to do is you can achieve a nice stretch of the calves and the soleus and Achilles tendon at the bottom of the movement. So you lower your body down, stretch your calves, stretch your Achilles tendon, your soleus muscle at the bottom there, before raising your body up on the toes and balls of your feet, and really squeeze the calf muscles at the top of the movement. So again, you want to aim for 25 of those elevated standing calf raises. So you could perform those calf raise exercises 3 to 4 times a week together with the jump rope portion. Now, if you're new to doing calf raise exercises, you don't have to do all of these calf raise exercises. Choose just one and do as many repetitions as you can until you feel a burn. Performing 25 repetitions of one of those calf raise exercises is a target to aim for, but listen to your body. Do as many as you can until you feel a burn. And you could perform that same calf raise exercise 3 to 4 times a week. And then once your body starts to feel acclimatized or accustomed to performing that particular calf raise, then you could incorporate another calf raise. And again, aim for 25 repetitions of that calf raise. Or in terms of the static calf raise, where you squeeze the muscles at the top of the movement, aim for approximately 25 seconds of that. But always listen to your body. Don't do too much too soon for your body. These are targets. Similarly, in terms of the jump rope calf workout, if you're new to jumping rope, you don't have to aim for, say, 90 seconds or 2 minutes. Go for as long as you can and what feels comfortable for your body. So always listen to your body. If you're new to doing calf raises, or all of a sudden you start doing a lot of jump rope workouts and calf raise exercises that target the calves, you will certainly feel some soreness in your calf muscles. For more on calf raise exercises and stretches that you can use for your calves, as well as other jump rope workouts, take a look at the calves jump rope and calves exercise playlist that I have on this channel. All right, well, I really hope you enjoy this video. I hope it is of help for you, and see you in the next one.